students, today I am going to deliver a lecture on very important topic and interesting, that is the mycoplasma and the virus. Myself Dr. Sabia Khan, Associate Professor Samrat Prithviraj Chauhan, Government College Ajmer. Dear students, as we know, mycoplasma, they are the smallest and simplest living organisms. They belong to the kingdom Monera, and it's very important that they are the simplest and the smallest organisms. They are like bacteria only, a typical bacteria there, but the characteristic feature is that they do not contain the cell wall. That means they have a covering of plasma membrane only. So they cause infection in the respiratory tract, that is pneumonia. So they are also called as PPLO. What is the other name of this mycoplasma? They are called as MLO or PPLO. MLO means mycoplasma like organisms. PPLO, pleuropneumonia like organisms. So this question is also asked, what is the other name of mycoplasma? So they are called as PPLO or MLO. Coming to virus. What is virus? Virus is a particle which is a connecting link between living and non-living. Means they are kept on the border that no certain discovery has proved perfectly that they are living or non-living. So they have both the features. So they are kept in the category of living as well as non-living. So what is the connecting link between living and non-living? Virus. So, because they have the characteristic of non-living features also, so they cannot replicate outside the host body. Host body इनको चाहिए होती है and they cannot replicate outside. They cannot. The genetic material which is present in virus is DNA or RNA. Because virus, they are made up of nucleic acid and protein. So the genetic material is DNA or RNA. But if we see mycoplasma, so mycoplasma, the genetic material is naked DNA. They are not associated with histone proteins. So virus, they are the connecting link between living and non-living. They can replicate only inside the host body and the genetic material is DNA or RNA. This is a characteristic feature. Now virus and mycoplasma, they are both pathogens. The virus, they can infect all living animals, plant and bacteria. Coming to mycoplasma, it is a true bacteria, that is a gram-positive bacteria. It is a bacteria, but remember one demarcating thing I've told you, that they don't have a cell wall. Bacteria have a cell wall, but mycoplasma, they lack cell wall. And they belong to the kingdom Monera, pleuropneumonia like organisms, and they can grow in osmotic medium. Now coming to this diagram, in the diagram you see the structure of mycoplasma. पूरा अच्छा सा दिखाया है, explain किया है कि mycoplasma, how they appear like. If you see under the microscope, so you can see they have cytoplasm, they have the soluble RNA, the ribosome कौन सा है बैक्टीरिया में होता है, दैट इज 70s राइबोसोम्स, बट दे डोंट हैव अ सेल वॉल. इफ they don't have a cell wall, that means they are pleomorphic. They can change their shape, rigid नहीं होंगे, cell wall नहीं है तो rigid नहीं होंगे, and they can change their shape. Here you can see the diagram of virus. In the virus you see the different shape of the viruses is there. In different form it is occurring, polyhedral, spherical, complex and helical. Tobacco mosaic virus. जो वायरस से वायरस की डिस्कवरी हुई थी, and who discovered virus? Ivanovsky, a scientist, Russian scientist named as Ivanovsky, he discovered the virus. So discovery of virus goes to Ivanovsky. तो मेन डिफरेंस इफ यू सी बिटवीन द वायरस एंड माइकोप्लाज्मा, अब दोनों क्या है, दे आर द सिंपलेस्ट एंड द स्मॉलेस्ट लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स. मेन डिफरेंस क्या है, वायरस इज नॉन लिविंग पार्टिकल, है ना, एंड इट रिक्वायर अ होस्ट टू रेप्लिकेट, क्योंकि नॉन लिविंग है तो होस्ट इट रिक्वायर होती है. एंड माइकोप्लाज्मा इट इज़ अ बैक्टीरिया, बट व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस? दे डोंट हैव अ सेल वॉल. वायरस इज एन ऑब्लिगेट पैरासाइट. अब ऑब्लिगेट पैरासाइट मीन्स क्या है कि इट रिक्वायर्स अ होस्ट बॉडी. होस्ट के बिना इट कैनॉट डू एनीथिंग, इट कैनॉट कम इन टू लिविंग फॉर्म. सो इट इज़ अ टोटली डिपेंड ऑन होस्ट, सो इट इज़ एन ऑब्लिगेट पैरासाइट. जबकि माइकोप्लाज्मा इट इज़ फ्री लिविंग. दोनों माइकोप्लाज्मा एंड virus, they are pathogenic, means they cause disease in animal, plants and other microorganisms and other organisms also. The mycoplasma, as I told you, it was discovered in pneumonia, so it is a human pathogen and it is called as PPLO. Respiratory tract को affect करता है. Now similarity between virus and mycoplasma. I have shown you the differences. Now what is the main similarity? Both are microscopic, both are pathogenic and they have a small genome. Virus, it is a connecting link between living and non-living organisms. Mycoplasma, it is a true bacteria. Habitat, virus, as I told you, it cannot live outside, it requires a host, so it is an obligate parasite. Mycoplasma, free living. So, they are free living. If you see the size, coming to the size, then size of virus is 20 to 400 nm, while mycoplasma is 0.1 to 1 μm in size. Shape virus का, because it has a rigid shape. Mycoplasma, they don't have cell wall, तो प्लियोमॉर्फिक है, साइज शेप को अपना चेंज करते रहते हैं. वायरस है, दे may have DNA, RNA, क्योंकि because they are made up of nucleic acid and proteins, while mycoplasma it is containing naked DNA. Metabolic activity, वायरस की होस्ट के बिना होगी नहीं, so no metabolic activity outside, only inside the होस्ट बॉडी. होस्ट बॉडी में ही वायरस रेप्लिकेट करेंगे. माइकोप्लाज्मा इट हैज़ मेटाबॉलिक एक्टिविटी. अब प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस, वायरल प्रोटीन आर सिंथेसाइज्ड बाय द होस्ट सेलुलर मैकेनिज्म, और माइकोप्लाज्मा क्या करता है? इट सिंथेसाइजेस ओन प्रोटीन. So this is so in this lecture I have explained you the shape, size and the similarities and the difference between virus and mycoplasma. I have explained you the important question which asks what is the other name of mycoplasma, that is MLO or PPLO. They are also called as small molecule. What is the connecting link between living and non-living? That is virus. Who discovered virus? Discovery of virus goes to Ivanovsky. They were discovered in tobacco mosaic virus. Then I have explained you the about mycoplasma, that they have heterotype nutrition and they belong to the kingdom Monera. They are the smallest, simplest living organisms. So, and the genetic material in virus, it can be RNA or DNA, while in mycoplasma it is naked DNA. So hope you have understood. These are the important questions which are asked in competitive exams, and in the next lecture we are going to study important characteristics of other organisms. Till then, goodbye, thank you and take care.